So welcome back. Here we have a box of goodies. It's the GoPro Hero 8. We got a couple things. I bought it as I guess little kit that came with a few of the extensions that it bring. We got here the head strap. It's a quick clip. It's the one that goes on your head and the camera stays right in the front. So we got that one. We also have the mini extension pole for it. It actually has two things that you can do with it. So it's an extension pole, and it also is a tripod. So you can actually stand it, wherever you want. And then it also brings extra battery. I also have here a 32 gigabyte SanDisk memory card, and then we have the camera itself. So I want to bring the camera down a little bit. So here we have it. We're gonna open this one first. Here's the GoPro. The last one that I had, just to give you a little backstory, it was the GoPro Hero 3. So we're talking about a few years ago that I had gotten one. So this one has a lot more features than the one that I used to have. And actually, I still got it. But this one is a 12 megapixel. It does 4K videos and 60 frames per second. And underwater, it's capable too of 33 feet. So let's get this opened. So here it is. It's the GoPro Hero 8. It's the Hyper Smooth 2.0. It's the new stabilization mode that it has. So here we have the camera. There's a little rubber piece that you have to get up, and then you press them both and it just comes off like that. So this one, compared to my other one, actually brings the piece where you hold it integrated with the actual camera. The one that I had, you actually had to get the case on it before you can actually put the mount on the bottom of it. The camera itself didn't have those two attachments on the bottom, so you can hook it up to whatever attachment that you want. So that's a pretty nice feature that it has. I'll actually leave it on here for now. Then inside the box, a little diagram there, how to take it off. GoPro has this new program where you can pay $5 a month or $50 for the whole year, and if your camera gets damaged, they replace it, no problem. We have just some more things on how to get the camera off. We have some stickers. we have the manual book, and then it comes with the charger. It has a curved mount on the bottom, and here's the battery for it. And that's it. So here are some of the attachments that I bought with it. I actually got this as a kit for $350. They have a deal going on right now that saves you $100 off the camera, and then for $50 extra, you get these 3 extra items with it. So here is the shorty grip. It also functions as a tripod. This is kind of nice. It's not a plastic one like you see on here. It's actually a metal one. And then you can actually use it as a stand. This is really nice. So here we have an extra rechargeable battery. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging right now. It's basically the same one as this one. And then we have the head strap, quick clip, or actually plus a quick clip. So let's see how that one is. Oh, this is nice. You can actually put these on a hat and on other items that you can actually clip to that's this thin. That's nice. And then this is the head strap here. The attachment in the front. Basically, this is the picture of how it is in front of it. I've actually never used one of these, so it'd be kind of nice to try it out and see how it works. Only had a chesty before, and that one is the mount that you actually put on your chest, and the camera is in the middle, and usually it's like in the way of maybe the handlebars or something else. You got to use it when it's completely free with no obstruction in the front of you. If not, it's going to be in the way of your video. And then this is the memory card. It's a 32 gigs. So this one actually came with the kit as well. That I got it with. So those extra $50 basically got me the extra battery, the head strap, the quick clip, the shorty is what it's called, extension pole, and the SD card. So not a bad deal for all these things, especially knowing that the camera itself, it's $400 regular price. So not a bad deal for this kit. So this is what I plan on using when I go out on any possible trips, or mount on the quad and maybe put it on the handlebars or on my helmet. It brings a curved mount. There's actually another mount that's flat on the bottom, and you can put on flat surfaces, but this one actually you can put on basically any round surface. Like, this is perfect for a helmet that you can attach it to. And these 3M tape, it's probably one of the best out on the market at the moment. I've used them on my old jet ski and on a couple other things, and basically when you get them off, there's no way to stick them on onto any other thing that you want to use it on, because it'll basically be garbage after that. You have no use. So make sure when you use these mounts, you attach it to somewhere you're not going to have to remove it again. If not, then you're going to have to get another one. I believe the kit for these, it's like $20. It brings this, the flat one, and a couple other more on that kit that you can buy these from. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for your support. Keep watching the videos. Stay tuned. There'll be more videos coming up soon. Hopefully I can make this great content with this camera. And we'll see you guys next time. See ya.